Congratulations, you finished the Spike modeling for 3D printing class. Sorry if it was long or I rambled, but I wanted to give you guys all the information as possible to basically download you guys with all the skills and tips and tricks that I've picked up while designing for 3D printing throughout the years. It was a lot, but I hope you learned a little bit something. I hope it was worth it. And one of the things that I wanted to mention is whenever I'm picking a new project, I always try and push myself with learning new skills and new tips and tricks for myself. So one thing that you could do to do that and try and adapt that mindset for this project is try and think of one additional feature you might want to add to Spike. You could look at the other electronic components we didn't use in the kit. It could be simple as adding some lights or like a buzzer if like someone gets like a third range set where like if someone gets really really close then like a buzzer goes off, something like that. So you challenge yourself with you know finding the what like a component you haven't used on GrabCAD and including that in your design. Now how are you going to house that in your design? Where's it going to go? How are you going to mount it? How are you going to program it? Now you can look up Arduino examples and download the library for whatever new component you're using. Maybe you look at a new YouTube video or a new library documentation to show you how to use that new component. A lot of this hobby is being confident in yourself, and a lot of just being an engineer in general is being confident in yourself to challenge yourself and learn these new things that you don't know, but just having the confidence in your skills to be able to go out and teach yourself these things. Because a lot of the times, obviously for this class you can't ask me questions, but a lot of the time, you're not going to have someone holding your hand, so you're going to have to be brave enough to and confident enough in your skills to teach yourself. And that's just another skill in its own that you have to build through project-based learning. Like at this point, I have a bunch of projects under my belt, and I'm pretty confident where like if I somewhat know how to do something, then I'll make a whole project around it because I know I want to explore that skill and get better at it. So that's something that I implore you guys to do. Obviously, it's not mandatory, but that'll boost your skills even more and take your confidence in your skills to the next level. Once again, I hope this was helpful. Also, make sure you join the Discord. I want to see pictures of all your guys' builds. If you're not in there already, asking questions about the build or giving feedback or whatever, I really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys around in the Discord. See you later.